In this guide, I will show with you how to transfer money from UniCredit. If you want to transfer money, follow me in this video. Download this app on Google Play or App Store. After download your app, friends, all you have to do, you will see payment option under your menu on the down. You can see here, guys, select on payment option. When you click on your payment option, select make a payment or enter bank transfer in euro. So guys, select and make a transfer. On this case, click on domestic payments and then click on new beneficiary and then write your account number. This is from account number, and then write your names and then write your beneficiary and account number you want to send money from here. After that, choose your amount you want to transfer, for example 10 euro or 20 euro, and then guys, when you enter amount, choose confirm your payment here, and then you will review your payments here. So guys, it is easy steps. First, download this app. When you download this app, look for your payments and then select your personal account from your orders, and then select your beneficiary here, add your new beneficiary, and then choose your account number you want to transfer, and then select your amount you want to transfer. So guys, this is easy steps you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.